Welcome to Flash English, your English channel where you learn fast and easy. Today, you'll learn 30 bones in English. Stay until the end and test your memory. Share this video with a friend, like if you enjoy learning English, and subscribe for more. Let's start. Skull.
Skull protects the brain.
Skull.
Skull. Skull.
Jawbone.
Jawbone is used for chewing and speaking.
Jawbone.
Jawbone. Jawbone.
Collarbone.
Collarbone connects the shoulder to the chest.
Collarbone.
Collarbone. Collarbone.
Shoulder blade.
Shoulder blade is a flat bone on the upper back.
Shoulder blade.
Shoulder blade. Shoulder blade.
Sternum.
Sternum is the breastbone in the center of the chest.
Sternum.
Sternum. Sternum.
Rib.
Rib protects the lungs and heart.
Rib.
Rib. Rib.
Spine.
Spine supports the body.
Spine.
Spine. Spine.
Vertebra.
Vertebra is one of the bones in the spine.
Vertebra.
Vertebra. Vertebra.
Pelvis.
Pelvis supports the hips.
Pelvis.
Pelvis. Pelvis.
Humerus.
Humerus is the upper arm bone.
Humerus.
Humerus. Humerus.
Radius.
Radius is the forearm bone on the thumb side.
Radius.
Radius. Radius.
Ulna.
Ulna is the forearm bone on the little finger side.
Ulna.
Ulna. Ulna.
Wrist bone.
Wrist bone helps the wrist move.
Wrist bone.
Wrist bone. Wrist bone.
Hand bone.
Hand bone forms the structure of the hand.
Hand bone.
Hand bone. Hand bone.
Finger bone.
Finger bone supports each finger.
Finger bone.
Finger bone. Finger bone.
Femur.
Femur is the longest bone in the body.
Femur.
Femur. Femur.
Patella.
Patella protects the knee joint.
Patella.
Patella. Patella.
Tibia.
Tibia is the larger lower leg bone.
Tibia.
Tibia. Tibia.
Fibula.
Fibula is the thinner lower leg bone.
Fibula.
Fibula. Fibula.
Ankle bone.
Ankle bone forms the ankle joint.
Ankle bone.
Ankle bone. Ankle bone.
Heel bone.
Heel bone supports the heel.
Heel bone.
Heel bone. Heel bone.
Foot bone.
Foot bone forms the structure of the foot.
Foot bone.
Foot bone. Foot bone.
Toe bone.
Toe bone supports each toe.
Toe bone.
Toe bone. Toe bone.
Sacrum.
Sacrum connects the spine to the pelvis.
Sacrum.
Sacrum. Sacrum.
Coccyx.
Coccyx is the small tailbone.
Coccyx.
Coccyx. Coccyx.
Hip bone.
Hip bone forms the pelvis.
Hip bone.
Hip bone. Hip bone.
Malleus.
Malleus is the hammer-shaped bone in the middle ear.
Malleus.
Malleus. Malleus.
Nasal bone.
Nasal bone forms the bridge of the nose.
Nasal bone.
Nasal bone. Nasal bone.
Cheekbone.
Cheekbone supports the cheeks and eyes.
Cheekbone.
Cheekbone. Cheekbone.
Incus.
Incus is the anvil-shaped bone in the middle ear.
Incus.
Incus. Incus.
Thanks for watching. Like this video, hit the hype button, subscribe for more. See you in the next video.